Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the loops in C. In C programming, loops are used to repeat a set of instructions until the condition is satisfied. This helps us to avoid writing the same code again and again. For example, imagine your goal is to drink 8 glasses of water every day. You could write the instruction like this. In the printf statement, we can repeat like printf drink water and printf.
There are three loops in C. One is for loop.
Now for loop. In this, three steps are involved: initialization, condition and increment. In initialization, it sets the starting point, and in condition, check before each loop execution. Increment updates the loop value. After executing the each step, it involves the process again and again until the condition is satisfied. If we observe the syntax, in that in the middle of the curly braces we can write the code what we have to print. Now coming to the example of for loop, we all know that every C program executes after the main function. In this, the I is initialized with value 1 and the condition is less than or equal to 5 and its increment is I++. If we consider I equal to 1, it is less than or equal to 5. So condition is satisfied. It prints the value 1 and it's continue until the condition is satisfied, like I is equal to 5. After 5, it skips the code. In this, the output of the this example is 1 to 5 numbers. Now we can check the practically in online compiler how this code is executed in that compiler. Let's copy the code into the online C compiler. Now check the output. Here the error is coming due to P is capital. So let's change the code. Let's see the output. Now the output is 1 to 5 numbers. This is how the program works. Now real life example for loop is, if we count the 1 to 5 chocolates in a row, you know the exact number before the end. So here we use the for loop. Second one is while loop. The while loop is used when the number of repetitions is not known in advance. It continues the looping as long as the condition is true. Now coming to the syntax, while condition. Whatever the condition we give, if it is true, the statement is executed. If not, it skips the code. Now checks with example. We know every program starts with main function. In this, the I is initialized with 1 and the condition is I less than or equal to 5. Here the condition is less than or equal to 5. So 1 is less than or equal to 5. It prints the value I as 1. And now it increments the value I plus 1 equal to 2. Now 2 is less than or equal to 5. So it prints the 2. And again it prints the values until 6 is arrived. You can see in the online also. Here the output is 1 to 5 numbers. Now third one is do while loop. It is similar to the while loop, but it executes the code at least once before the condition is checked. Now coming to the syntax, it does the task once and it goes to the condition next. Now coming to the syntax of do while loop, here I is initialized with 1 and it first execute the code once, then it increments the value and next it checks the condition. If it is true, it prints the value. If not, it skips the code. Now checks the code in online compiler, how the output would be. Now the code. The output will be 1 to 5. This is how the do while and for loop works. Now summary. It is the quick recap for all of you. The for loop is used when the number of iterations are fixed. We use the while loop when the condition controls the loop and may be false from the beginning. We use the do while loop when the block must execute at least once. So, if we observe this table, the condition checked and runs at least once and best use case. For loop, while loop, and do while loop. In this for loop, the condition is checked before the code will execute. And in also while loop, the condition is checked before the condition execution starts. Whereas in do while loop, after once the code is executed, condition is checked. Do while loop it runs at least once. As we all know that a for loop is used. I hope you all are understood well after listening my explanation. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel.